Firstly, let's examine the design. The Galaxy A55 showcases a sophisticated design, combining an aluminum frame with a glossy rear panel and a 6.6-inch Super AMOLED display. With a 120 Hz refresh rate, the smartphone provides an immersive viewing experience featuring vibrant colors and smooth animations, perfect for media consumption or gaming. Now let's shift our focus to the camera system. Equipped with a 50-megapixel main camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 5-megapixel macro camera, the Galaxy A55 is a photographer's dream. And don't forget the 32-megapixel front-facing camera for those crisp selfies. Advanced AI image signal processing, night portrait mode, and 12-bit HDR video are just some of the features that enable you to capture stunning photos and videos, regardless of lighting conditions. Security, a critical aspect of any smartphone, is well covered in the Galaxy A55. Samsung Knox Vault encrypts your data, offering protection in case your phone is lost or stolen. Additionally, features like Auto Blocker safeguard your device against unauthorized app installations and malware. Battery life is another aspect where the Galaxy A55 excels. Its 5000 mAh battery ensures that you can go through a day and beyond on a single charge. With onboard efficiency features such as app optimization, you can stretch the battery life even further. To sum up, with its premium design, impressive camera system, advanced security features, and long-lasting battery life, the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G is definitely one of the best value smartphones on the market right now. Priced at $699, it offers great value, making it a compelling choice for many. But as always, the choice is ultimately yours. That wraps up our review of the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G. Remember to leave a comment and share your thoughts on this device. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech reviews. Until next time, stay tech savvy.